That just exploded everywhere.
We're going on a date.
With all the kids in the car.
Are y'all excited to go to Gardens?
No, we're going boxers.
Is that what you call it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's the black church.
Because they painted it black.
Oh.
Good.
So we're going to a marriage event called Caliente at church.
But I like it because it's not churchy at all.
No, it was so much fun.
Sounds weird for me to say probably, but I like, there's like, I don't even think last time we prayed.
No?
It was just, let's go, have fun, and enjoy the night. I love it.
There'll be food trucks and like there's games and I don't know who's like the entertainment. Last time I went, there was a comedian. It was really fun. Report that Lucy has spit up all over herself on the way to church. So I'm gonna investigate. You broke this?
Yeah.
Well, that's fine. Oh, that's not bad. Just a little, not all over the place. Loose goose. Hey, girl. What's Daddy doing? What? Lucy, what's Daddy doing? Look at him. Wow. I love our kids, but I'm ready to drop them off. They're a lot tonight. Caliente! You're eating dinner in class. Mommy and Daddy are dropping you off, saying love you, and we'll see you later.
Hey, Mommy, look
What's
at
known for
those.
palm trees?
Look at Florida.
That's awesome. We're gonna dance later. Come on, dude.
Don't touch.
The cactus.
I touched the cactus before the dinner. I see flies. I see flies. Now my top. This is my top.
Bye. I love you. Reuben's out. See you, dude.
Thank you.
Oh.
She like it?
He loves it. So she's moving and shaking everywhere now.
Officially kid-free.
I gotta go get cookies. I gotta take care of my people.
Yes.
Vlog. Hi.
For both of you.
Oh, thank you. That's just a thanks for coming and being. No kids.
No kids.
No kids.
Let's do it. Let's see what we got here.
Are you vlogging?
Absolutely. Let's look at this place. I feel like I'm at, what's that restaurant where with the food? The Cheesecake Factory. There's too many options. What is it, empanada? You want to get an empanada to share? All right, what is the most popular?
Beef, chicken, pork, that's the most popular.
Pork is?
Yeah, barbecue pork.
All right, let's do pork. You want to try shrimp?
I do.
Shrimp and beef.
Chicken. Oh.
Which one?
Chicken.
Chicken. Oh, cool. They brand the
Yeah, I know. I never had one.
It's blazing hot on the inside sometimes. Is it pretty good?
Like a little meat hand pie, right? Oh, shrimp.
Look at that.
A little nervous.
Uh-oh. That's the camera we need right there, girl.
Oh, look at that.
Cheese? And shrimp? I want to know.
I don't think I've tasted a shrimp yet. There they are.
All right, get you some. That just exploded everywhere. Oh! I'm sorry.
I'm so sad.
Right. Oh. There we go.
It's a lost cause.
I think it's funny that when you first get married, you go through
When you're engaged.
and engaged, but when you first get married, you're in your honeymoon phase, and you will do anything to hold the hand
To touch.
of your loved one. That ended quickly for us because right now I'm miserable. I'm hugging her, but I'm miserable because it's hot outside. Please stop. It's really skin to skin contact.
Our little chunk-a-monk wasn't having it. You okay? So I'm gonna feed her and probably just keep her with me. But we had a few really good minutes, kid-free. Such is life.
All right, we decided to eat our dinner in peace, hanging out with the Wysockies. It's partying hard.
Hi, girl.
Just wait till college. We've now been joined by the Beckley clan. Hey, how's it going? Now we got 29.
This game is so cool. So they're giving them a Frisbee with a gift card taped to the back of it, asking them a opposite gender question, a trivia question. If they get it right, they keep it. If they don't, they throw it out into the audience. And so whoever catches it gets to keep the gift card.
I know all this one.
Hey, Rachel, 8 volts are there in a standard car battery?
Oh, you need 14.
128. It's my guess.
That's our guess. I have no clue what this answer
You need
is.
12, but 14.
It was 12. Hey!
Not 100.
I don't know how electricity works. I just know that I flip a switch and things turn on.
There's little fairies inside the lines, and they go, and then you get electricity.
That's exactly what I mean.
Life that he
We're gonna
has
try to
for
drop
you
the baby off
is
again.
really a marriage that.
What one word best describes your wife first thing in the morning?
Angry.
That's what I was gonna say. Tired. I wake up tired.
How would I describe her driving?
Bad.
Not good enough.
Really bad.
Stressful.
I'm not a bad driver.
Why do every single wife in the country hate when we snore?
Produced by 3 main things. First, men consume air poorly. Second, obstruction of justice. Third, snoring comes when the man sleeps.
I don't dance. Enjoy. We're going to pick up the kids, which means this is officially over. But like, comment, subscribe. Tell us the most fun you've ever had on a date. What did you do? And something funny that may have happened. Does not have to be with the person that you're married
No.
to, but or dating currently, but I'd love to know. See y'all later.